We are living in a mad world. Crypto industry watchers agree XRP Ripple is a massive hoax. The town is in a state of panic, but how terrible is it? Hold off on making assumptions. To get the complete story, watch the video. You won't believe it. I don't think you're prepared for this. Allow me to provide a detailed explanation. Legal notice accordingly, XRP Ripple has become the target of criticism from influential members of the crypto community in the dynamic realm of cryptocurrencies. An argument has broken out after crypto analyst Max Prime labeled XRP the largest swindle in the industry. He takes this controversial position because he thinks XRP missed opportunities to skyrocket in value at critical junctures. The performance of XRP after Ripple's protracted legal dispute with the SEC was the focus of Prime's criticism. The decision handed down by Judge Annalisa Torres appeared to be in Ripple's favor. Compared to the SEC's original request for a $2 billion penalty, the court's $125 million sanction for Ripple is quite small. In the eyes of Ripple's upper management, this decision was a crushing triumph over the regulatory agency. It's clear that Prime is unhappy. He called out XRP as the largest crypto fraud ever, bringing attention to the asset's long history of underperformance despite expectations that it would drive its price higher. Instead of the substantial upward trajectory that many had hoped would follow the lawsuit's resolution, a temporary rise and a dismal decline occurred. The historical hardships of XRP only served to heighten this disappointment. The digital asset's all-time high was in 2018, over 7 years ago, and it last hit $1 in 2021. Ripple and its backers have been hyping XRP's revolutionary potential in the financial sector for a long time. However, concrete outcomes are still elusive. People like Mr. Huber have even emerged within the XRP community to vent their displeasure and sarcasm at the asset's lack of progress. Many are wondering what could set off a major rally in XRP because of the gap between its predicted potential and its actual market performance. Could it be that the naysayers are mistaken? There are those who are pessimistic, but there are also many who think XRP is about to have a breakthrough. That will surprise the cryptocurrency industry. Something really revolutionary is being predicted by prominent specialists. What they have to say about XRP might completely alter your perspective. This is something you should not miss. We will go into the specifics now. So following a string of daring predictions and tweets from prominent members of the community, XRP has the crypto world abuzz with conjecture. In spite of all the doubt and criticism that XRP has received, some powerful people are predicting that this digital asset might have a meteoric surge that would change the game. According to Lord XRP, a prominent member of the XRP community, XRP is the most powerful asset, she tweeted with confidence. The opinion among XRP's loyal fans is that the asset's potential has been significantly undervalued, and this audacious statement reflects that. However, why is there a new sense of optimism? Amonix and other analysts have stoked the flames with dire forecasts that, at first look, are almost too wonderful to be true. A bullish prognosis from Amonix indicating that XRP might climb to $57 was just published. This is not an arbitrary integer. The research is based on the logarithmic price chart, which reveals that XRP has maintained a consistent price range since 2014. Amonix claims that XRP is about to break out of its current range and is trading around the bottom end of it. Many in the cryptocurrency world are both enthusiastic about and wary of the prospect of XRP's price soaring to $57. Such an accomplishment would need XRP to see an incredible 12,000% increase, increasing its market capitalization to about $4 trillion. To give some context, this would place XRP's market cap at about $500 million more than Apple's, the biggest firm in the world. Since this forecast implies a degree of expansion that would necessitate unparalleled changes in the cryptocurrency market and the world economy, it is not surprising that it has elicited cynicism and sarcasm. Does the possibility of such a gathering, however, not exist at all? The crypto market has previously witnessed enormous growth, so although Amonix's projection is massive, it's important to remember that because of the inherent volatility of the market, large price movements both up and down are typical. Nevertheless, for XRP to achieve a market cap of $4 trillion, widespread and innovative use of the asset possibly as a worldwide currency or a foundation for cross-border transactions is likely to be necessary. An ambitious but not totally impossible scenario given the correct circumstances. The fact that other cryptocurrency experts are keeping a lookout for any bullish indications for XRP just adds to the mystery. Might break out soon as they near the weekly timeframe symmetrical triangle's peak. If this breakout materializes, it has the potential to trigger a substantial price increase, adding to the optimism surrounding XRP. Jack the Rippler, meantime, has added another forecast to the mix, speculating that XRP might reach $6.10 by August's end, using a fractal pattern from spring 2017. Although this goal is somewhat less ambitious than Aminix's, it nevertheless shows that there is hope for a substantial increase in the near future. A lot of people are really upset about these predictions, especially Aminix's. Such predictions are viewed by some as unrealistically optimistic, and critics contend that this is the case when looking at the bigger picture of the market and the economic ramifications. Many are skeptical of the research because of the magnitude of the expected price hikes. If we're talking about phenomenal expansion, we also can't overlook the revolutionary new alliances that XRP Ripple has just formed. All signs point to these new developments being the optimistic signal that investors have been hoping for. Stay tuned, because the information we're going to share will further bolster the argument for XRP's tremendous potential. Finally, XRP, because of its pioneering work in enabling cheap, quick international transfers, Ripple has always stood out among cryptocurrency companies. As well as the legal green lights it keeps getting around the world, which might mean a fresh chapter for the digital asset. The court of first instance in Dubai recently acknowledged Bitcoin, XRP, and other cryptocurrencies as legitimate forms of wage payment, which was just brought to light by Colin Brown's tweet. This action shows that cryptocurrency regulations are becoming more clear and is therefore important for the whole Middle East, not only Dubai, in instance XRP. A major step forward has been reached with the complete approval and regulation of Ripple and XRP in Dubai and the UAE. This regulatory approval in a major international financial center may open the door for broader implementation in other parts of the world. The positive atmosphere surrounding XRP is also supported by Ripple's expanding network of global relationships. Ripple has partnered with Brazil and Australia to incorporate XRP for financial transactions, according to a tweet from CryptoGeek. Because of this key change, XRP will now be a prominent participant in the international financial system. Markets of note include the fast-developing Brazilian economy and the influential Australian market, both of which play an important role in the Asia-Pacific area. If they start using XRP for payments, it might boost XRP's demand and liquidity and hasten its global acceptance. The tweet from Lord XRP just makes things worse, making a bold proclamation regarding the imminent launch of an XRP ETF. The launch of an exchange-traded fund ETF would change the game for XRP, opening it up to more investors and possibly resulting in huge capital inflows. Regulatory agency support for an XRP ETF would be a vote of confidence in the utility and safety of XRP in the long run. I don't understand why this bodes well for XRP. The perfect storm for possible expansion is the confluence of governmental approval, global adoption, and institutional interest. XRP positioning itself as a bridge currency that enables efficient and rapid cross-border payments has always been Ripple's goal. Inevitably, XRP's value will rise as its utility and demand grow in response to its increasing adoption by additional nations and institutions. If XRP were to become widely used around the world, it might go from being a mere cryptocurrency to being an integral part of the international monetary system. Envision a future where XRP is instantly utilized to settle international payments by governments, corporations, and banks. With this degree of integration, XRP would become indispensable, greatly increasing its value. What are your thoughts on that? That is the only question that remains. What is your opinion on the Ripple token XRP? So, what do you think will happen? Specify in the space provided. I am interested in finding out. Here we are at the conclusion of this video. For tuning in, I am grateful. Leave a comment with your views or questions. Hit that like button if you found the content beneficial, and most importantly, subscribe if you loved it.